What's good y'all? So super quick video today. I'm putting on the Grimmspeed Boost solenoid cover. My old one is very ugly, so quick video on how to take this apart and slap this one on. I was already like halfway through it and I'm like, oh, why am I not making a YouTube video for this? So let me show you how this is done really quick. So it's winter time and my engine bay is very crusty and dusty. Normally this is silver and I painted it like a transparent red and it started to flake off, so I didn't want that anymore. So I got the Grimmspeed cover. Now, how this cover comes off, normally you'll have a either stock Boost solenoid, or like me, you'll have the Grimmspeed 3-port. Now it was bolted down, but like I said, I just was like, oh, let me make a video about this. So basically there's going to be one bolt here, which is the 12mm. There's going to be two 10mm, one here and then actually one right there. So once you get this one off, you can maneuver it. You have to undo some of the hoses there, but you can actually maneuver it up. Now I might not be able to with one hand. I've already got this all undone, but I don't want to pinch any hoses. But basically, okay, so like then you'll have that and it'll be kind of hanging on like right there. Then you can actually reach through just with like an extension and you can take that bolt off, and then that'll actually undo this piece here. You'll be able to pull it up and then you can flip it over, and then there will be a bolt going there holding the Boost solenoid there. So then after you got that done, you basically take this piece off. And the one thing that I have to say I don't like is it's missing these pieces right here. You see these hose clamps here? It's not there on this one. So they're just gonna kind of just sit there, and I know everything's a little oily. I've got some blow by going on. I need to put a AOS on my system, so shut up. But yeah, that's the only thing I say I don't like, because these are kind of just wobbling around. But let's go ahead and put this one on and see how everything looks. Okay, so far so good. Got that one bolt on, like I said, right there. Got the Boost controller solenoid bolt on right in there. That bolt right there, and that's holding the Boost controller solenoid on. Now it looks like there's actually another bolt that I'm missing. It goes like right here. Might hold it into place better, but it's all right. I've got the 12mm that goes right here, and we'll check for stability. But overall, that's how it should look. A lot better than what I had before, a little more red. So yeah. All right, always keep some spare bolts, because I found a bolt, not ideal. It's a Torx bit type, but it looks good, and this is nice and tight and looks really good. Yeah, so there's that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all know what to do. Click that like and subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned for much more videos coming up this season. I will catch y'all later. Peace.